Hi guys, I'm Natasha Arroyo and we're here at WSI 3D Print and Design Hub. Come on, I'll show you inside. So here we offer different types of services such as printing, modeling, and finalizing printed materials. So one example of our 3D printer is this Stratasys UPrint SE Plus and the MakerBot Replicator. Both uses FDM technology, which means that it uses thermoplastics as its material. So here's an example of the Stratasys UPrint SE Plus. This is a 3D model. And then here's another example for the MakerBot Replicator. It's actually ongoing at the moment. So that's how it works. And then we also have here the Stratasys Object 30 Pro. So unlike the first two that I've mentioned a while ago, this one uses specialized photopolymers to create realistic models. So here's an example of the Stratasys Print, Object 30 Print. Here you go! So here we also have the Stratasys 450MC. So this is just like the MakerBot Replicator. It also uses FDM technology. And actually, here's another example for FDM technology models. And then we also have here the Stratasys Object 260 Connex 3. So this one uses 3 different resin materials to create better models. So one example of this print is this one. So pretty! Heart shape. So there you have it. If you have any inquiries, you may call us at 858-5555 or you may email us at sales@wsifail.com.ph.